the website that we've established, I have given a series of talks that I think incrementally start where you are today and slowly build on that knowledge, build on it as you go through the different talks. How far do you want to go? I mean, you can go through the first 2 or 3 levels of talks and think, that's good, that's cool, that's all I want. Or no, I want to go deeper and deeper and deeper because I like what I'm hearing and I'm starting to practice it and I'm feeling the benefits of it. So the digital presence online is an opportunity for you to study at your pace, your time, given. But then I'm going to hold retreats, you see. I'm going to invite people to come to the foothills of the Himalayas with me and do a 10-day retreat, or come to New Zealand, Lake Taupo, and do a retreat there, or in Australia or the US. And in these retreats it'll be much more personable in that it'll be an exchange. You can ask me what you've studied to understand it in a way that you can grasp it, that you can understand it even more deeply. So in these retreats there'll be meditation, there'll be simple physical exercise, a yoga practice, there'll be talks with each other and so on. And then I offer one-on-one. It could be through Skype or FaceTime and so on. You can talk to me and talk about where you are, what you're doing, how you're progressing, how can I help you. There's that kind of thing. So it's all there. I'm working on writings and so on. It'll be a plethora of knowledge, and I will guide you if you want me to. You can remain anonymous and just be at the distance and just engage as you want, when you want, how you want. It's always in your hands. My teacher, Sri Maharaji, my guru, many years ago, he asked me, he said, take this knowledge. He said, I'm giving it to you. You go and share it with as many people who want to hear. Don't force it, it'll never work. They need to be interested and you need to respond appropriately. And that's the contract, that's the understanding. So work it out. I would suggest initially work through the talks, see how it resonates. If you like it, get in touch with me. I'll help you as much as I can. That's my job. And it's my pleasure too.